Hey y'all, it's Leland TV, and I just wanted to come at you guys with an unboxing of my first baitcaster. I got myself a 13 Fishing Inception, and I got myself some braid to throw on that. I'm trying to do some topwater, but yeah, it's a 30-pound braid, and I got this right here. Show you guys some of the stats on that. Really freaking stoked about this reel. I had actually gotten a Piece of Fun torrent to start, and I was planning to be throwing some pretty good sized whopper ploppers and other like large sized topwater, and I could just tell right off the bat that it was not going to work with that reel. So I ended up returning that back to Amazon, and I got myself 13 Fishing Inception, a real. Yeah, I'm pretty freaking excited about it. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. This is my first time opening it up, so oops, that should be pretty interesting. Let's see what we really got. It's packaged really well. Oh man, there it is. Oh boy, look at this. Oh man. Holy shit. Wow. Yo, this thing looks awesome. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's much more smooth. It's actually a metal frame. Okay, battery died there, but anyways, I just popped this open and I have a 13 Fishing Inception now. So I'm pretty freaking excited about that. Look at this thing. Oh my god, it feels so smooth. Holy shit. Man, this thing looks amazing. Feels amazing too. It's like good. It's like chunky. It's got a good weight to it. See, the Pissy Fun torrent thing that I had, bait casting reel that I had, it felt plasticky. It didn't feel like solid. It felt like it was gonna break. I could just tell like it wasn't going to be able to handle like throwing that many lures. It was going to burn out real quick. And then with the braid, it didn't even work. So, what's the sense of using that? So I just returned that, and this was only, this was $60 more expensive, but hey, you're getting into something, and you want to be starting with something good, It's just more fun when you're starting with something good. Okay, so we got the reel out. That thing is sick. What else do we have in here? We have a 13 Fishing Inception manual. I'm gonna have to take a good look at this. We have looks like a 13 Fishing sticker of some kind. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then we have a schematic parts list of this reel and how to put it back together. Maybe at some point I'll take it apart, but ooh, look at this. Huh. Interesting. So I noticed has the 6:6 gear ratio one that it's showing, and then down here It has I guess what it has different. Interesting. Okay. Alright. Well, that's good to see. That is very good to see. Huh. Okay. So, let's see, what else? Is there anything else in here? Nope, there's nothing else in here. So after popping this thing out of the box and having it out for a few seconds, I'm really liking it. This thing is smooth as butter. It feels really great in hand. It is, I can just tell, going to be an outstanding reel. I am beyond excited for this. I want to take this fishing right now. It's nighttime and I've got work tomorrow and I can't do that, but you can understand I'm going to be dreaming about casting this thing tonight. This is incredible. Man, I hope it works out. It's like I said, this is pretty much the first real bait casting reel I've ever had. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a really good reel. It's an 8-to-1 gear ratio, and my plan is to use this for topwater and for throwing Texas rigs and maybe a couple other things. We'll see. We'll see what else. See what else I can use it for. But oh golly, this is nice. Positive drag. Man, look at this thing. Again, it is just, holy smokes, this is going to be a good reel. God damn, these grips feel really nice. I have to pop this out. It's got close. Oh, wow, and then this just comes right off. Okay, I think I just set my brakes for the first time. Check that. Wow. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just getting used to this. I mean, like, this is sort of new technology I have in my hands right now. I really don't know that much about bait casting. I'm just getting into it now, but damn, it looks like a really good reel. And I'm really excited about it. Oh yeah. So I have a Daiwa Arid X 7-foot medium heavy casting rod that I am going to be putting this on. And yeah, it should be a good setup. I hope it looks pretty slick. I'll see if I can get some video footage of what it looks like all set up and everything for you guys, because that would be pretty cool. But anyways, this is the 13 Fishing Inception, and I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you can, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I just hope you guys have a good night or a good day wherever you are. Thanks again.